Hey collectors! Today we're taking a look at the 1967 quarter, a classic US coin. On the front, we have George Washington, the first president of the United States. Facing left, a design used since 1932. Flip it over, and you'll see the American eagle with outstretched wings, symbolizing strength and freedom. The 1967 quarter is made of copper-nickel clad over a pure copper core. Part of the post-1965 coins that replaced silver content. While most 1967 quarters are common, collectors love to check for errors, proof versions, or uncirculated examples, which can increase value. If you have a 1967 quarter in excellent condition, it's a perfect addition to any coin collection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel. Rare coins and lost antique. Stay tuned for more hidden coin treasures.